Introducing the 2021 Audi Q2 30 TDI 116 HP SE in stunning red. This 2-liter diesel with manual transmission is both stylish and efficient. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and parking assistance, this estatejeep is perfect for any journey. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy luxury trim and LED lights in the spacious interior. Spoiler and door sill protector add a sporty touch. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and warranty, this Audi is ready for the road. Visit audikerry.ie or call now for more details on this exceptional vehicle.